As an entrepreneur and business owner, social media content posting can get a little overwhelming. And sometimes, you don't know what to post. The best types of content that you can post on social media include visuals and storytelling. Okay. If you can combine those two things in your content, this can help you get a lot of attraction from the customers you are trying to engage with, right? So, for example, you could put a post out and it's all written, right? Which, I've seen a lot of posts, especially on Facebook, where people will go in and write a whole novel on one post, okay? And that can be very beneficial as long as they are telling a story, okay? Don't put a whole novel up and you just rambling on about rambling on. Okay, make sure that the story that you are telling is engaging. There's a purpose to the story that you're telling, and then you're going to come back around and tie in your offer to that story. Okay, there's a purpose to these types of written story posts. Okay, now, yes, you can definitely have these written posts, and yes, you will definitely have some people who read it. But for the most part, most people nowadays love to watch, okay? They love to see things visually, right? So whether it's in a photograph form where you're taking a photo, a picture, or you are doing video style, okay? These are both two engaging ways where it's almost like when people are scrolling, okay, they see the visual and it's like, whoa, I gotta stop because it caught my eye, right? Versus people are scrolling and they just see words. It's a little harder for people to tap into that, right? So combine the two. If you want to write a novel story that's going to tie into your offer, also post a picture with that, right? Or you can cut out the writing, cut out the picture, and just do one video where you're talking about the story that ties into your offer, right? You can still have some words and things in your post, but the whole gist is the better the visuals, the more eye-catching the visuals, the easier it is for a customer or an audience to stop and actually engage in the content that you have. And they might even respond or take you up on the offer, right? So make your content engaging by, again, including stories in what you have to offer. Don't just talk about your product, right? So I have this product. It's a blender, and it is $59.99. Come buy it. Ta-da, right? It's kind of boring. But if you say something more of the longs of, I have this blender. It is the top of the line blender. Gordon Ramsay uses it in his kitchen because he says that the blades are so powerful, it can even chop up bone if he needs to. So this is one of the most high-powered blenders on the market, and it's only $59.99. Regular retail is $600, but for a special offer today, it's only $59. Can you see the difference in the storytelling that is going on versus that first initial example I gave you of the blender? It was just blah, right? So take this into consideration, friend. Use storytelling to your advantage. Use visuals to your advantage. And then if you can put the two of them together in one post, you have a powerful combination to definitely attract the client, the customers that you are trying to engage with. All right, friend, I hope this helps you very much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, as well as please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure to check out the Seller Studio. The link is in the description below. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in. Till next time, stay bright, stay beautiful, and keep on smiling. Later, Gator. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.